Today on my next project, check out how we make these cool domino holders out of pallet wood by the pallet challenge put on by Simply Wood Creations. So I want to start this video off with an announcement. This is going to be my last Pallet Upcycle challenge from this shop. And if you're wondering what's going on, I'm moving. Our house is currently under contract and we're going to be selling it very soon. So I'll be moving out of this space and into a new space. I have a few other videos I've already recorded that I'll be uploading after this one, but this will be the actual last project video I record in this shop. But like I said, there'll be a few more videos I have that are older videos that I've already recorded that will be released on the channel. This is great news. I'm very excited. We're super thrilled about it. You'll find out more details in the upcoming months about our move and what's going on and how it's going to affect the channel and my content and all that kind of stuff. But my last upcycle challenge from this shop. And if you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you already knew about this announcement that was coming. But I have a challenge to you guys. If you're watching this video, ask me a question below. I'm going to do one last vlog from the shop and answer any questions you got. Look back at some of my old projects and talk about some of the things I've done in this shop and just celebrate what this shop has been for me. So ask me those questions below and I will do my best to get all those answered in the upcoming vlog as I leave this shop. But hey, enough about all that kind of stuff. Let's get into the project. So you guys are aware, if you've been on my channel for very long, you know that I've found tons of pallets that had screws in them. So I'm going to go to my stash where I've disassembled them and have them stacked, and I'm going to pull out the boards that I want for this project. The first thing I'm going to do is run my stock through the planer. I want to clean it up and see what kind of grain I'm working with, and then I can decide which pieces will work best for this project. So I'm going to go ahead and plane all my boards. Remember, when you're working with pallet wood, you want to make sure that you check it for screws or nails or anything, because you don't want to run that through your table saw or your planer or your miter saw. You want to make sure you don't take a chance on hitting your blades and ruining them. I've already checked mine, so I'm ready to go ahead and plane these. When you clean up these old pallets, you never know what you're going to get. Check out this side of this wood. I hope you can see it. The grain, that grain, especially on this end, is just beautiful. Really all the way down is pretty, but look at the other side of the same board. Look at the difference in that. That is insane to me. You see this side, you got that stripe down the middle, and then it's so much darker. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera or not, but man, there's a huge difference in these. The next step is going to be to clean up our boards and get them straight on the edges and then cut them to final length on our table saw. So here I have my dado stack in and I have it set at a 14-degree angle, and now we're going to go ahead and run the narrow blocks through there. Now I'll come back to the table saw and cut the top pieces to their final width, which is 1.5 inches. The bottom pieces are 3 inches, the top pieces are 1.5 inches wide. Okay, so for this next part, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to glue these in place, line them up with the back, and then on the ends, since these are made long, I'm going to just brad nail them in place, clamp them in the middle, and that should hold it until the glue dries. Like I said, I got extra here. So I'm just going to come in here, pop a brad nail in there, and now I'll come back and put some clamps on this. And that should hold it for now. Once it dries, we'll cut the ends off where the brad nails are at, and then we'll sand it and clean it up, and it'll be good to go. I'll cut these off right on the other side of the nails. We're going to go with the clear gloss finish. So these guys are done. You can see a couple of them right there in the front showing you how they're going to work. But these things turned out great. The contrasting wood looks really good, especially on this one. It doesn't look bad on this one, it's just not quite as contrasting as I thought it would be. But this one here looks great. So this happens to be your first video, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll let you see more videos I have coming out like this. Make sure you also go check out Simply Wood Creations. There will be a link down below to get to his channel. He's the one putting on the pallet challenge. Go over there and check it out, and check out all the other entries. It's awesome getting to do this every year. Like I said, this is the actual last project video I will record in this shop. Every other video I've already recorded, but leave your comments below and ask me questions, and I'll answer those in a vlog that will be a wrap-up vlog as I leave this shop and go into my new shop. I'm not sure when I'll have electricity in the new shop, so it could be a while before I get new content, a couple months, but I'll have some videos coming out, some things going on, and updates on what's going on with that. Thanks again for watching, and as always, y'all will see me next time.